Hey everyone, today we are unboxing a highly anticipated monitor. It is the 39-inch 5K 2K OLED from LG, model number 39GX950B. This is a very similar monitor to their 45-inch, which was released last year with a couple new upgrades, but you're going to get the same 5K 2K resolution, same dual mode, 165 Hz and 330 Hz, as well as DisplayPort 2.1. The upgrade on this one is that you actually get full bandwidth 2.1 to run at 80 gigabits per second. This model is using their 4th gen tandem OLED panel, which is going to give you increased brightness up to 1500 nits, as well as a longer lifespan. Opening up the box here, you have your vertical part of the stand, which if you've seen the 45-inch, it's a standard, very beefy stand for this size of monitor with a nice cable feed coming through the back. And then we have the steel base that it attaches to, which is also very heavy, adding additional weight and stability to your monitor. Also includes this cable cover that goes over the back here. Once you have all your cables installed, you just slip this over the back for nice clean cable management. And then included in your accessory box here is the power cable, which comes with a very beefy brick. We have our DisplayPort 2.1, HDMI 2.1, and a USB-C cable. And then included as well is the paper that I know none of you are going to read. For ports, we have 2 USB, 1 headphone jack, a USB-C with a 90-watt delivery, 2 HDMI 2.1, and a DisplayPort 2.1. Then our stand simply just fits together, and you hand tighten the screw to get it nice and secure. Snap it into the back of our monitor here, and we can go ahead and get this stood up and ready to take a look. As you can see, design-wise, it is very similar to its 45-inch counterpart, but I know a lot of people are anticipating the 39-inch size at the same resolution for that increased PPI. And I will say, first impressions right out of the box, haven't really messed with any settings yet. It is a very crisp display. Another major difference is the 39-inch is going to come with a much more subtle curve at 1500R compared to the 45-inch, which had an 800R curve. The difference in curvature actually gives them just about the same width from what I could tell. I didn't put a measuring tape to them, but as you can see, it's just an increase in vertical distance there. One thing that folks usually have a gripe with these LG monitors is the matte coating. Here you could see it compared to the Asus PG32 UCDM Gen 3, which has the new black shield coating. You can kind of see how the light disperses more on the LG with that matte coating compared to the glossy of the Asus monitor. So if you're in a bright room, this will definitely come in handy to have a coating that doesn't show such a harsh reflection on the screen. Another addition in this monitor is built-in AI upscaling, so you don't have to have as much stress on your GPU. So might be something worth testing versus the 45-inch at the same resolution. But I am going to be doing some testing, so leave a comment down below. What do you want to see tested on this monitor, and we'll try to get that done for you here on the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.